Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to make chicken casserole. So let's just get right into it. To begin, I will pour in my pan olive oil and onion that I will keep stirring up until the onion gets translucent. Then I will add some garlic powder and stir it all together. The information for this recipe will be in the description box down below. I will then add some mixed vegetables, peas and carrots that I will mix, frozen peas and carrots that I will mix to make sure that it gets a little tender. You can see. I will let it saute for a couple of minutes until everything is tender and the onion is translucent. Then I will set it aside and I will use the same pot to continue sauteing other ingredients for the chicken casserole. I'm done sauteing the mixed vegetables and I'll set it aside. Now I'm adding chicken broth to the pan and I'm adding some bread stuffing mix to make sure that it gets a little tender. I'm adding more chicken broth to make sure that the stuffing is moist and reaches a very nice consistency. Once the bread stuffing is tender, I will also set it aside. In the same pan, I will now pour heavy whipping cream and then I will also add a can of cream of chicken soup. So you can see. Then I will mix it all together to make sure that the heavy whipping cream and the cream of chicken soup are blended together. And then I will add parsley to give it a very nice taste. And I will keep mixing it together. Once I'm done mixing the cream, I will also set it aside. And in a pan, I will pour now my leftover chicken that I have shredded to pieces. You can find the recipe for the whole chicken in one of the videos I made previously. Then I will add my mixed vegetables that I have sauteed earlier. I will spread the vegetables over top of the chicken to make sure that it's well distributed. Then I will start pouring my cream of chicken soup mixed with my heavy whipping cream over top of it. And you can see that it's still steaming. I will now take the spatula and spread the cream of chicken soup all over and make sure that it gets into the chicken. Once I'm done doing that, I will now spread the stuffing mix that I mixed earlier over top of the cream of chicken soup. And in the meantime, I will cover it with aluminum foil, and my oven has been preheated for 400 degrees and I'm gonna bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. So 30 and 40 minutes have went by. So now my cream of chicken soup, my chicken casserole is ready. I let it cool off before I serve. So now it's time for me to serve and you will see how tender and nice it looks. It's smelling really good. So I hope you try it and will be able to enjoy it as much as my family did. So you can see it's very tender. The bread stuffing is very good and nice and moist. And the chicken is well cooked also. So you can see. And I hope you try it and let me know in the description box below how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. In the meantime, enjoy.